In the earlier session, we have seen how to analyze a Mealy model. What is Mealy model? Mealy model is a function of both your present state and your input. In today's session, we will analyze the Moray model. Okay, in case of Moray model, your output is going to be dependent only on your present state only. Okay, so this is a given problem, that is the flip-flop input function of a JK flip-flop is given. So and the components, that is inputs are given, JA, JB, KA and KB is given. Okay, so the input function is given and you are going to, this is going to be your question. Okay, so you have to compute your state diagram, state table and the logic diagram. Okay, only in the state diagram the condition is going to differ. Okay, now let us analyze. So the first thing is that we have to compute the state table. So what are the components that should be present in the state table? So you require 4 things, generally present state, next state, input and output. But since here it depends only on your present state, you will not take your output table into account. That is the difference between your Mealy model and the Moray model. Okay, so now let us analyze your state table. So what you have to do first is the present state input. So ABX. So since you have 2 variables, I am just going to fill it up. And the present state can be 0 or 1. So you will be filling from 0 to 7, or in other words 4 states 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. With my X input as 0 or 1, you will fill this initial table. Now here the input functions are given, JA, JB, KA, KB is given. So just substitute here and fill the columns. Okay, what is your JA? JA is B. So just you can copy and paste it here. Okay, next KA is equal to B into X bar. So what is B? B is this value into X bar. X bar means, suppose for this value it is 0, here it will be 1, 1 into 0 is 0. So just the logical functions you can fill it up. Okay, so the flip-flop input functions you can fill it up as per your given equations. So the input data is done with, where you are going to fulfill your flip-flop inputs. Okay, so in this case alone you will be filling because the expression has been given. In the last problem what we have seen is, we have seen about the D flip-flop. Okay, D flip-flop follows your, whatever the input data, it follows the output. Okay, whereas here the expressions have been given, so separately you are putting it and keeping it as such. Whereas in case of your D flip-flop, Qn plus 1, that is the characteristic equation, is equal to D. So same data can be copied in the next state, but here it is not so. Okay, so now you have to compute the next state. What is A of t plus 1? What is B of t plus 1? You have to compute, for which you should know the characteristic equation which we have already studied, right? So what is your Qn plus 1 characteristic equation of your JK flip-flop? It is nothing but J into Q bar plus K bar into Q. Okay, now you just substitute and make it ready for the next table. Okay, for entering the data in the next state. So what will be A of t plus 1? Just substitute with the suffix A. JA into QA bar plus QA bar into plus QA bar, KA bar into QA. Okay, similarly here B of t plus 1 is JB into QB bar plus JB bar into QB. Okay, so write your expressions and keep ready. Now these values for, in order, this is the next state equation, that is A of t plus 1 and B of t plus 1. For this only we have written this part extra. Okay, so now knowing my JA, knowing my KA, knowing my JB and QB, I will be computing this table. Okay, so once this is done with, once you are going to compute your present state and the next state, suppose for example for one value we will do it and see. So what is going to be your JA? JA is going to be 0. So JA into QA bar. So that is, QA is going to be a present state. So JA into QA bar. So 0 into 1 is 0 plus what is your KA bar? KA bar is 0. So it will become 1. 1 into 0, 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. In this way you will be filling your entire table. So this finishes the state table. Now what is the next step? So in order to draw the state diagram, the 8 states has to be reduced in terms of 4 states. We are just reframing your table. Instead of writing x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, for these every states, for these 4 states, instead of writing it sequence adjacent sequentially, here you are going to write in terms of parallelly, that's all. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, present state is given. Next state at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 1. Instead of writing one behind the other, I am just going to write it in 2 columns. So how I will write? So when my x is 0, 0, 0, 1. So 0, 1 I have written. So what will be my output? It is 0, 1, 0, 0. So these two datas 0, 1, 0, 0, I am writing it parallelly, that's all, when x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So similar way 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, then 0, 0, 1, 1. So when x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1, you are just rewriting your table here. Once this table is finished off, what is the next step? The next step is to compute the state diagram, right? So now what are the 4 states? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now how to draw the diagram? Here there is no output at all. Okay, now this present state moves to the next state. 0, 0 state goes to 0, 0 state goes to 0, 1 state. 0, 0 state goes to 0, 1 state, where what is the input at the time? Input is 0. Usually what you will write? Input bar output, but in case of your Moray model, only input is there. Okay, so now this part is over. When present state 0, 0, it goes to 0, 1 at x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, it goes to 0, 0. So when x is equal to 1, it goes to 0, 0, the same state itself. Now the second condition, 0, 1 goes to 1, 1. So 0, 1 goes to 1, 1 when my input is 0, and 0, 1 goes to 1, 0. 0, 1 goes to 1, 0 when my input is 1. Now the third step, 1, 0 goes to 1, 1. 1, 0 goes to 1, 1 when my input is 0, 1 minute. Now 1, 0 goes to 1, 0 at x is equal to 1. So 1, 0 goes to itself at x is equal to 1. Now the last condition, 1, 1 goes to 0, 0. 1, 1 goes to 0, 0 when the input is 1, and 1, 1 goes to itself, sorry ma here, 1, 1 goes to 0, 0 when the input is 0, and 1, 1 goes to 1, 1 when the input is 1. So this finishes your state diagram, which is the graphical representation of the state table. Now what is the third thing we have done with your state diagram? State table, only logic diagram is done. It has to be finished with, right? In this case, so as I told you, first you draw the outline so that giving connections will be easier. So what are the flip-flops you have? JA, KA, that is A flip-flop is there and B flip-flop is there, okay? The outputs are A bar, B bar. So just draw the outline and keep ready. Now here what is the thing which has to be filled? JA, KA, JB and KB. And what are the inputs? That is present state and inputs. A, B and X are the inputs. So now, so what is your KB? KB is nothing but A into X bar. So you have to put a XOR gate. Put a XOR gate and keep, and where you have your A from which you are going to give here. And another input is X. X is there, X bar is there. So X I am putting, and here it will be X bar. Now what is the first step? What is your KB? A plus A XOR X. So A you tap a point, X you tap a point, put XOR gate, this work is over. Now come to your JB. What is JB? JB is nothing but X bar. So no problem at all. You put a NOT gate and give a connection. So this part is over. Now come to your JB. What is JB? X bar. Sorry, KA. KA is B into X bar. So what you have to do? Take a point from the B and you keep it here. One point, another point is your X bar. So B into X bar. So you put an AND gate and connect it here. Now what is your JA? JA is nothing but B. So this point you extend it. Okay. So just draw the outline, put the NAND gate, put the XOR gate, then you give the connection. So this completes your logic diagram. So here what you should know, the only difference is that whenever you are going to go in for your JK flip-flop, so this characteristic equation should be carried out in order to compute your next state. The second thing is, whenever you are drawing your state diagram, So here our input bar output you will write in case of your Mealy model, whereas here you will write in terms of your input alone. Okay, so this completes the circuitry. Thank you. In the next class, we will be seeing about what is state minimization and state assignment. Thank you.